Tired of grainy webcam quality? Let's transform your Canon EOS 250d into a high-definition webcam for your Google Meet calls. First, you'll need the Canon Eos Webcam Utility software. Open your web browser and search for Canon Eos Webcam Utility. Navigate to the official Canon support page for your EOS 250d and download the software compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and conditions, and choosing the default installation location. It'll only take a moment. Now, grab a USB cable, preferably the one that came with your camera. Connect one end to your Canon 250d's mini-USB port and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. Power on your Canon 250d and switch the camera's mode dial to the movie recording setting. This is crucial for the webcam utility to recognize your camera properly. Finally, open Google Meet in your web browser. Before joining or starting a meeting, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Go to the Video tab, and from the Camera drop-down menu, select Canon Eos Webcam Utility. You should now see your crisp, professional video feed. And there you have it. Enjoy superior video quality for all your virtual meetings. Enhance your online presence and make a lasting impression with your professional webcam setup.